Hello and welcome to English with Shubh. If you want to improve your English naturally, if you want to start thinking in English without fear, and if you want to build confidence simply by listening, then this story is for you. In this video, you are not here to study grammar rules or memorize difficult words. You are here to listen, to feel the story, and to let English enter your mind naturally. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Understanding will come with time. Just relax, listen carefully, and stay with the story. Now, let us begin. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve great success in life, while others, who are equally talented, remain stuck in the same place for years? Often, the difference is not intelligence, it is not luck, it is not background or opportunity. Very often, the real difference is habits. This is the story of a young boy named Arav. His journey will show you how small actions, repeated every day, can completely change a person's life. Once upon a time, in a quiet Indian town called Chandanpur, there lived a boy named Arav. Chandanpur was a peaceful place, surrounded by green fields, narrow streets, and simple houses. Life moved slowly there, and everyone knew everyone else. Arav was a bright boy. He was creative, curious, and full of big dreams. He often imagined himself becoming someone important, someone respected and successful. Sometimes he imagined standing confidently in front of a large crowd, giving powerful speeches. Sometimes he imagined walking into a big office, wearing formal clothes, feeling proud of himself. His dreams were big, very big, but there was one serious problem. Arav was extremely lazy. Every morning, his mother would knock on his door and call his name. "Arav, wake up! The sun is already shining. The day has started." And every morning, Arav would reply in a sleepy voice, "Just 5 more minutes." Then he would turn to the other side, pull the blanket over his head, and go back to sleep. He dreamed about success, money, and respect, but he did nothing to move closer to those dreams. Even though he was lazy, Arav admired hard-working people. He watched the local shopkeepers open their shops early in the morning and work until late at night. He saw teachers who patiently helped their students every day. He noticed a police officer who walked with discipline and pride in his uniform. Arav wanted to be like them. He wanted respect. He wanted success. But his actions never matched his desires. One day, he promised himself that he would study seriously. The next day, he would forget everything and spend hours flying kites or playing cricket with his friends. He had dreams, but he had no discipline. At the edge of the town lived an elderly man named Gopal Kaka. He was a retired army officer and was well known for his discipline and wisdom. Every morning, before the sun rose, Gopal Kaka woke up. He cleaned his yard, watered his plants, exercised, and read a few pages of a book. His life looked simple from the outside, but there was something powerful and calm about the way he lived. One afternoon, Arav was passing by Gopal Kaka's house. He stopped and watched him carefully. Curiosity grew in his mind. He finally asked, "Kaka, why do you follow the same routine every single day? Don't you ever feel bored? Don't you want to sleep more?" Gopal Kaka smiled gently and wiped the sweat from his forehead. Then he said something that stayed with Arav forever. Arav, habits are like seeds. What you plant today will grow tomorrow. You may not see the results immediately, but one day your habits will decide your future. Success does not come from luck. It comes from small actions repeated every day. Now, listen carefully. By listening to stories like this, your English improves naturally. Your listening skills grow. Your vocabulary becomes familiar. Your confidence increases. No pressure, no translation, just real English. Remember this. You do not need to change your life overnight. You do not need to be perfect. Start small. Listen daily. Repeat sentences. Speak slowly. Just like habits build success, daily listening builds fluent English. Thank you for listening. This is English with Shubh, where stories build confidence and English becomes easy. See you in the next video. Blue.